MotorWeek is made possible by Auto Value and Bumper to Bumper and TireRack.com.
When one thinks of the Cadillac Escalade, excess and extravagance are words that quickly come to mind. Well, there's now a smarter Escalade rolling into showrooms, looking to maintain the lavish lifestyle while ensuring Escalade lives on in the modern electrified era. So let's find out if its intelligence quotient measures up. Cadillac's drive towards becoming an all-electric brand has seen many new names join the famed flotilla, but their latest BEV set sail wearing a familiar name. It's the 2025 Cadillac Escalade IQ. Why IQ? Well, you'll notice the IQ in all other Cadillac EVs, Lyriq, Optiq, Vistiq, Celestiq. But wisely, Cadillac chose not to do away with all the Escalade capital they've accrued over the years. So instead of coming up with a new name for their full-size three-row SUV, they just tacked the IQ onto it. With that out of the way, let's get to what living the luxury lifestyle in this massive Ultium-based coach is actually like. For now, all Escalade IQs feature the same dual-motor all-wheel drive setup with 680 horsepower and 615 pound-feet of torque for normal operation. Velocity Max mode cranks things up to 750 horsepower and 785 pound-feet of torque for getting this 9,000-pound utility to 60 in less than 5 seconds. There's no getting around the fact that this is one big SUV. It sits on a wheelbase that's more than a foot longer than the ICE Escalade, with overall length just shy of the suburban-sized ESV. And before you ask, yes, there is a longer Escalade IQ version coming, the IQL, but it's only about 4 inches longer. The IQ is also wider, but its roofline does have more aerodynamic slope to it instead of a Tahoe-style squared-off presence. 24-inch wheels are standard with diamond-cut finish available, wearing 35-inch tires, though not the rollin' on 35s most people think of. While big, it is more maneuverable than the ICE Escalade thanks to four-wheel steering with Arrival mode, Cadillac's version of the Hummer EV's Crab Walk. There's also adaptive air ride suspension with magnetic ride control to help it glide smoothly over all pavement imperfections, while power delivery feels more effortless than overwhelming. Tour and Sport drive modes are here, as well as snow, ice, and tow modes, plus the ability to customize your own setup that even includes simulated engine sounds. Cadillac has certainly escalated their screen game with 55 inches of LED stretching across the dash, plus a touchscreen rising from the center console and multiple available screens for rear seat passengers too, both for entertainment and for customizing their environment. Buyers can go with either a sport or luxury theme, with both featuring materials that are very high-end, with the overall vibe more classy than overly extravagant. A big fixed-glass panoramic roof adds plenty of light into the space. Front seats have a multitude of adjustments with massaging function and, of course, heating and cooling. There are 2 different simulated leather coverings available. Both look and feel great, but no option for real leather at the present time. Huge captain's chairs occupy the second row with a power-folding 3-place split bench aft of that for a total of 7 passenger capacity. Lots of storage space, of course, 23.7 cubic feet behind the third row, 69.1 behind the second, and a max of 119.2. And if that isn't enough, there's an additional 12.2 cubic feet up front in the E-trunk and the ability to pull 8,000 pounds behind. The Escalade's 205 kilowatt-hour battery provides an estimated 460 miles of range, which is more than realistic, as we were on pace for 474 miles in our drive loop. DC fast charging can add up to 100 miles for every 10 minutes on charge. GM Super Cruise driver assist is standard, as is a head-up display and an AKG 21-speaker sound system, which you can upgrade to a 36-speaker studio reference setup. 2025 Escalade IQ pricing starts with luxury trim at $130,090. Sport trim just $500 more, with upgrades available for both. Gigantic in size, colossal in scope, the 2025 Cadillac Escalade IQ is a rolling showcase for the new Cadillac. Bold, battery-powered, and built to keep the spirit of the Escalade alive, whether you're ready for it or not.
The MotorWeek app, which includes our latest reviews and feature stories, is now available for mobile devices.